We're gonna make some LemonHead moonshine. I'm just gonna use LemonHead candy. That's 80 proof moonshine right there. Say that's enough. A little more. I like it. I'm gonna eat the rest. I'm gonna let that sit overnight. We'll shake it up, let it sit 24 hours. It should dissolve all that candy. Hopefully, it's yellow. It's already turning yellow. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. There's the LemonHead moonshine. It's got real good color. It almost glows in the dark, man. Look at that shit. We're gonna smell it and taste it and see what it's all about. Smells like lemons, LemonHeads. I might have used too many, I don't know. Let's check it out. That's right. That tastes like LemonHeads. It still tastes like moonshine too.